Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust close of an image on Photopea. So for that, we just need to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. And after dragging it, here we can see the image here. And from here, and for adjusting the curves of an image here on the top, we can see here many options. And here is the third option. You can see here image. Click on that. And from here is the second option. You can see here adjustments. And from here as the third option, you can see here curves. Click on that, or otherwise you can click Ctrl plus M and the curves section will open. For opening the curves, and after opening it, from here you can just adjust it by setting as much as you wanted. And after that, click on OK. So now you can see that you had been adjust the curves of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.